Hi viewers, welcome to Akshaya Vlogs and Crafts. Today, let's see about Siddhi Vinayagar Koil, Varasiddhi Vinayagar Temple. Okay, this temple is in Kanipakam village. It is located in Chittoor district of Indian state of Andhra Pradesh. It was established in the early 11th century CE by Chola king Kulothunga Chola and was enhanced even more in the year 1336 by the emperors of Vijayanagara dynasty. The story of three men who were deaf, blind, and dumb. The history of this temple is worth knowing. About 1000 years ago, there lived three physically disabled brothers. While one of the brothers was blind, the other was dumb, and the third was deaf. They earned their modest living by cultivating a small piece of land close to the Viharapuri village. On a certain day, when one of the brothers was irrigating the land via different channels, the other two were drawing water from a well using the Pikota system. During the task, to their utter dismay, they discovered that the water of the well has dried up. One of the brothers got down the well and began digging its bed with an iron spade. Soon after commencing this job, he was awestruck to realize that his spade has been floundering about in the waters and hitting a stone like object underneath. Something emerges from the beneath the earth. When the brothers saw blood oozing out from the stone formation, they were astounded to behold the miracle. In no time, the blood mixed with the entire water in the well in such a way that there was no difference between the two. Meanwhile, the brothers got blessed by the divine sight and got rid of their former physical defects. When the news of these events reached the ears of the villagers, they rushed towards the well and tried hard to deepen the well. Their endeavor, however, bore no fruit because a self manifested idol of Lord Ganesha showed itself to them finally. The overwhelming divine discovery. Stunned beyond words with the divine revelation, the villagers offered loads of coconuts and other love offerings to the manifested idol, along with their humble prayers. The coconut water started flowing into a stream to a distance of more than 1.25 acres. This phenomenon led to the coinage of the word Kani Pakam, where Kani means wetland and Pakam means flow of water into wetland. Sri Kanipakam Varasiddhi Vinayagar. Till this day, the idol lies in its original place, that is, in the well from beneath it had sprung. The waters of the holy well never dry up, thus signifying the immortality of the divine power. In the monsoons, the well overflows with the sanctified water and it is offered to the devotees as tirtham. There are few facts about this temple. First, an unbelievable truth about the divine image of Lord Vinayagar of Kanipakam is that the idol keeps growing reportedly in size with the passage of time. Currently, only the knees and abdomen of the idol are visible. The testimony of the fact is the silver kavacham armor offered to that idol by one of the ardent devotees above 50 years ago, which does not fit the idol today. The self-manifested idol of Ganapati of Kanipakam is the Lord of Justice himself. Interestingly, several people have been visiting the temple since a long time to resolve mutual strife by taking a dip in the sacred waters of the temple tank and swear before the idol of the deity. There have been cases when the sinner accepts his faults immediately after taking the holy dip and even before stepping into the court of justice or the inner chambers of the temple. Such is the power of the Sri Varasiddhi Vinayagar and his glowing glory is worth of being sung in every corner of the globe. Third, another interesting aspect of Kanipakam is the Bahuda river which flows near the Sri Varasiddhi Vinayagar temple. Long ago, as the story goes, there were two brothers, Sanka and Likita. One day, they started for a pilgrimage to Kanipakam. Due to the arduous journey, Likita gave in to hunger. he ignored the advice of his elder sibling and plucked a mango for his meal from a nearby mangrove without the permission of its owner. Duty bound to tell the truth, Shanka reported the issue to the king of that place and asked for punishment befitting Likita's sin committed during the pilgrimage. The ruler chopped off both the arms of Likita as a punishment. When the two brothers reached Kanipakam and took a dip in the sacred waters, an amazing miracle happened. The astonishment of two brothers, the chopped arms of Likita were restored. Soon after this incident, the ruler of that place named the river as Bahuda. Bahu means arms and Da means giver. Ganesha Chaturthi special. The temple of Sri Varsity Vinayagar remains abuzz with scores of pilgrims during the annual Brahmotsamams, which starts from the day of Ganesha Chaturthi. It is 20 days fest celebrated with much fanfare by the temple authorities and devotees. Certain details you can see. Vinayagar Chaturthi in August to September and English New Year days are the festivals celebrated in this temple. Lord Vinayaka is a Swayambhu Murti. This is one of the biggest temples. The well from where Lord Ganapati appears is still in existence in the temple. The water from the well is offered as prasad to devotees. The temple is open for pujas from 6 am to 1 pm and from 4 pm to 8 pm. There is a shrine for serpent planets, Naga Shanadi. People pray here for relief from adverse effects of these planets. Devotees perform milk abhishek for relief from prolonged diseases and for solutions for problems among couples, money matters, etc. They also perform Ganapati Homam, for which they have to register in advance. Every evening, an event called Satya Pramanam is conducted in the temple. Those accused of cheating others on money matters and cheating women are asked to depose before the Lord if they are really innocent. No one can escape punishment awarded by Lord Vinayaka if they dare speak lies. Andhra devotees regard Kanipakam Vinayakar as the chief justice. So viewers, if you have a chance, please do visit this temple. It is very, very interesting and we can have a chance to visit. Let us pray to this Vinayakar for all of us to have good health, wealth and happiness. Thank you viewers. Bye bye.